Alright, so I'm going to go with this as the ninth column because I believe eventually we're going to get to a 1, 10, 100. And because we know that a 1 is a 3, a 1 is a 3, it'll all be in the 3, okay? Meaning this will be your 1,000. And then if a 1 is a 3, and 3 makes 4 makes 5, makes 6 circled, we're going to have 1,000, 1,000, 1,000. And then here we're going to have a million. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay? It's fitting. You know? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1 million is 7 characters with 2 commas. Don't forget the commas. The depth is in the details, guys. Alright, what else to think about the M is that since we have a 13 here and a 13 here, I think this is going to be a 1, this is going to be a 1. And there we go. Only thing left to solve for is D. Alright, now solving for D here, if a 0 is equal to a 1, that means that a 011 is equal to 100, and a 055 is equal to a 50. And there we go. So that's what that looks like so far. Alright, so now because there's nothing else circled in the remaining spots of the columns, I believe that those are just going to be another 11, a 55, 55, and a 55. So there you go. So there. What's left is, look, 22, your master number. Plus 1 is 23, which read backwards is 32 magnets in the X, Y, Z planes. 55 and 55 is 110, so that's 220. And 220 volts for your electronic devices, guys. Alternating current. Tesla. Alright, so let's just do some summaries. Because C is equal to a D, okay, we're going to do this. C plus C is going to be equal to all this, okay? There's your C. It's your 0, okay, it's going to be your 0, 6, 7, 13, 50, 110, 100. So if you add that all up, you're going to get 286. But you have to know that 0 is equal to a 1, so you're going to have to add 1, 287, multiply that times 2, 574. I find that interesting that the Roman numeral D is 500, but there's a leftover GD at the end. So it's actually a capital D, GD. Interesting. So let's do the same thing for the D's. So we take the D's, okay? You're going to count up all the numbers in the cells, okay? So you're going to have a, you know, 0, 1, 11, 11, 100, okay? And you're going to have a 0, 1, 55, 55, 55, 55, 500, okay? So you're going to have a 0, 1, 11, 11, 100, and a 0, 1, 455s and a 500. They equal 844. 0 is equal to 1, guys. Add the 2. 846 is really close to, 848 times 2. 1692. Break it into this. You get a 69 dotted with a 1 and a 2. I find that very interesting. Now, the last thing I did was we got to look at the MM. Because we have all the cells that create an M, let's just see what it makes. Okay. So an MM. So you're going to have this. You're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You have 9 ones. You have 9 ones to make the M. I find that very interesting. Plus you're going to have your 13, 76, 13, 1, 1. These guys. Okay, so you're going to have this. 9, 13, 76, 13, 1, 1, 1, 10, 100, 4,000 equals 4224, which, look, cellular math breaks into the Ultra Master number 22 dotted with a 4 and a 4. Your 444. Yeah, people are having a field day saying that I have no 444 in me. Anyways, I know that MM is equal to 2,000, but why is there an extra 2,224? I don't know. I think I'm right here, guys. I'm not... I gotta apply the ciphers now of the Roman numerals, and then on we go. Alright, so because I'm a little intrigued by the 74 extra when 2 C's make a D. Okay, it's not 500, it's 574. So it's a multiple of 74. Now check it out. When 2 D's make an M, okay, you're going to get this. 1692. Okay, so we're 692 off. Now 74 times 8, or infinite, is 592, plus a C is 692. I find that interesting. What I also find interesting is over here, is that 74 times 26, remember, 2 M's should equal 2,000. But we got 4224. Now 74 times 26 is 1924, plus 3C is going to give you 2,224. Exactly what's left over. Now I find this all rather interesting. Okay? I do.